How can you support yourself during the twilight of the gods, during regressions, when apathy takes over and all interest fades away? Sometimes it passes quickly, other times it lingers and sets you back. For women, this is generally easier than for practicing men, because in such states a woman can always retreat into the earth. In other words, sink into the earth, into the element itself. The deeper, the better. You will be cleansed, restored, nourished, and renewed. A man enters the earth only with commission. The first level is open. Beyond that, it depends on how far he's allowed. If received, he goes further. In such moments, the earth is the best refuge. We are all children of one mother. And when things become truly difficult, where do we usually run?